Now that the stable release of Fedora 43 is out, let's install it by upgrading our existing version, which in my case is Fedora 42. You can also upgrade from Fedora 41 directly. But if you have older versions, you may have to perform incremental upgrades like 39 to 40, 40 to 41, and then to 43. There are two ways to upgrade the OS. If you regularly update your system, you should get a notification from the software app regarding the OS upgrade. You can also check the updates tab in the software app and find the option to upgrade. Go ahead and click the download button to upgrade your OS. Follow the on-screen instructions if it shows any. I prefer to use the CLI to upgrade the OS. So let's check the official documentation and perform the upgrade as suggested. Before starting the upgrade, run sudo dnf upgrade with refresh flag. Once done, reboot the system. This is an important step. So before that, let me save my ongoing work, then reboot the system. After that, run the upgrade command, sudo dnf system upgrade download release version 43. When the download is complete, run the upgrade reboot command to install the upgrade. This command is slightly different for DNF4 and DNF5. Since I am on Fedora 42, I am using sudo dnf offline reboot. Press Y to proceed with the installation. This takes some time and you should see the splash screen with the upgrade status. To see what's happening in the background, press the escape key. You can switch between the views using the escape key. Once the upgrade is complete, the system reboots by itself one more time. You should now have the new kernel entry in the grub menu. There are some optional tasks that can be performed after the upgrade, but I never ran those. Fedora upgradation always worked for me straight away. That's it. You now have Fedora 43. If you have an NVIDIA card, verify that the drivers were installed correctly. Generally, there should not be any issue.